how's it going? Here for an update on the 2014 F-150, as well as a bit of a channel update. So first thing that you should notice is that I did add this bush bumper. Got a pretty good deal on it. I think it adds quite a bit of character to the front of the truck. I painted the rims black. They're the factory rims. They were gunmetal, so I painted them black. And I got some Toyo Open Country AT2s. They're 33-inch tire. My truck isn't leveled yet, so they do fit 33s perfectly fine. There's zero rubbing. Next thing is I got these kickback mud flaps. So you can see they kick back a little bit. Got those in the front and the rear. Then I got the G2 backflip hardcover. And that's about it for changes on the outside. Yeah, the truck's really dirty right now. I just haven't been able to wash it for a bit yet because it's been about -20 for a few weeks, and I don't want to wash it when it's that cold because everything just freezes. So on the inside, I added a custom built sub box, ported sub box. So they have two 10-inch Kenwood subs, and they sound really good. And I just added this 12-inch kicker. It's just there. I can take it in or out whenever I want. So I have the 12-inch and then the two 10s. Sounds pretty good. Added this seat cover because I have the dogs back there quite a bit now, and I didn't want them to wreck the leather. You can see all their paw prints on there. Oh, and one thing you should have saw too is I have the WeatherTech floor mat in the back, as well as in the front. Really happy with the coverage. Really helps save the carpet. And that's about it. Nothing much else has changed to the truck. If you're wondering what he's for, he serves two purposes. One, he's a screen cleaner, so I clean the touch screen there. And the second, just so gosh darn cute. So he just chills out there. And yeah, that's about it for the truck. For the channel updates, I got two new projects. One is a 1985 Chevy K10 short box. I'll insert a picture right now. And the other one is a 1980 Chevy Camaro Z28 with the 350. I have this truck. This is my daily. And then I'll have those two that I'll be working on over time. But as you can see, right now it's currently -14. That's without the wind chill. With the wind chill, it's about -26. That's Celsius. And so I don't have a heated shop to work on, nor an enclosed shop, so everything is outside as of right now. The vehicles are undercover, but as for myself, it's not really that enjoyable to be working on those outdoors in the cold. So once it warms up a bit, I'll be doing some more work on those, adding those to the channel, and I'll be doing more update videos on this truck and some more how-tos and all that kind of good stuff. As well as other newer vehicles, I'll be doing some how-tos and quick little tips and tricks and stuff. And to thank you guys for all the support and help and boosting my sub count up. It's really helped me a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and please leave a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed already. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.